Are you looking for the best portable electric juicer? In this video we will look at some of the best portable electric juicer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Portable Blender Fresh Juice Mixer. This portable blender fresh juice mixer sounds like a handy gadget for those on the go. With its electric, wireless charging feature, it adds a modern touch to the traditional concept of a juicer. The compact size makes it easy to carry, allowing you to whip up your favorite smoothies or juices wherever you are. Imagine sipping on a freshly blended fruit concoction or a creamy milkshake without being confined to the kitchen. This mini fruit mixer seems like a versatile and convenient addition to anyone's lifestyle, promising a blend of health and convenience. Number 2. Double Cup Multifunction USB Fruit Mixers. The Double Cup Multifunction USB Fruit Mixer is a fantastic addition to your kitchen lineup. Crafted from top-notch food-grade PP material, this juicer cup ensures both safety and environmental friendliness, so you can blend your favorite fruits with confidence. Its compact design is a real winner, allowing easy storage in cupboards or cabinets, making it a versatile choice for various settings, be it at home, in the office, during travel, camping, or hiking. With this mixer, you can enjoy the convenience of a perfectly sized and efficient blending companion. Number 3. Mini Portable Juicer. The Mini Portable Juicer is a convenient and innovative device designed for those who prioritize health on the go. Powered by a USB port, this juicer eliminates the need for traditional batteries, offering a built-in rechargeable power supply. This feature ensures flexibility, allowing users to charge it anytime, anywhere, providing an uninterrupted blending experience. The device is not just practical, it's also endorsed by its users. The recommended use as a portable blender highlights its versatility in creating healthy and delicious smoothies. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, this mini juicer promises to be a reliable companion for your nutritional needs. Number 4. 220 volts Soymilk Maker Smart Blender. The 220 volts Soymilk Maker Smart Blender seems to be a versatile kitchen appliance that not only blends soybeans into milk but also offers additional features for various food preparations. Upon receiving the machine, it's recommended to wash it with clean water or beat soybean milk to eliminate any new machine smell. The device has a heating function, and it's advised to add sugar after processing all the ingredients to prevent sticking to the bottom, especially since milk cannot be heated directly. When working with certain foods like rice, yam, or taro starch, it's suggested to use less of them. Number 5. Xiaomi 3 Life Electric Juicer. The Xiaomi 3 Life Electric Juicer seems like a handy kitchen companion. With a 400 ml capacity, it's perfect for whipping up refreshing lemon or orange juices. Its multifunctional design goes beyond just juicing. It can also mix up delicious fruit smoothies, adding versatility to your culinary adventures. Being a Xiaomi product, you can probably expect a sleek design and perhaps some smart features. Whether you're aiming for a healthy start to your day or experimenting with fruity concoctions, this juicer appears to be a reliable household appliance for your kitchen.